You've heard of the 7 ancient wonders of the world, but have you seen the 7 wonders of ancient Rome? Number 1. Starting off with the most famous ancient wonder and the building that pops into everybody's head when thinking about the Roman Empire, we have the Colosseum. Work started sometime between 70 and 72 AD during the reign of Vespasian and was dedicated in 80 AD by Emperor Titus. It was built on top of Nero's Golden House where the, now drained, lake would have been. At its peak, the Colosseum, or Flavian Amphitheater, would have seated around 50,000 spectators. Number 2. The Circus Maximus was constructed in the 6th century BC. It was a chariot racetrack that held 250,000 spectators at its peak in the 1st century AD. Hosting gladiator fights and the Roman games, it wasn't limited to its original equine purpose. It was destroyed by the fire of 64 AD that Nero may or may not have started, and rebuilt in 65 AD. Number 3. The Baths of Caracalla were started by Septimus Severus in 206 AD and completed by his son Caracalla in 216 AD. Used up until the 6th century, the public baths could hold up to 16,000 people. The luxurious baths featured a great hall that connected the frigidarium and the tepidarium. There was also a caldarium and large swimming pools. Number 4. The Via Appia is Rome's oldest major road. Construction began in 312 BC by Censor Appius Claudius Caecus. Connecting Rome to Capua, the Regina Viarum initially served as a route for military conquest, but once the conquesting stopped, it became a major trade route, opened to everyone toll-free. Number 5. The Park of the Aqueducts is 593 acres of Italian landscape that has 6 ancient Roman aqueducts. The park was a point of connection for Rome's water network. The oldest aqueduct there is the Anio Vitus. Built between 272 and 269 BC, it runs underground for 69 kilometers or about 40 miles and moved 180,000 cubic meters or 47,550,969 gallons of water a day. Number 6. The Pantheon is a temple-style structure that sits in Rome just a 30-minute walk from the Colosseum. Construction began in 27 BC by Marcus Vipsanius Agrippa, a Roman statesman, and was rebuilt sometime during Emperor Hadrian's rule around 124 AD. The temple also had a bit of a Renaissance makeover, but nothing too major, and is famous for inspiring architecture around the world. Number 7. Trajan's Forum was inaugurated in 112 AD and was the last and largest of the famous imperial fora. The entrance to the forum was once marked by a triumphal arch that held a statue of a triumphal chariot riding Trajan that towered over the massive main square that was paved in white marble. I got this list from Rome Cab Stores, and I'll have a link to their article in the description where you'll also find my sources. And if you like history content, consider checking out my channel where I have more history themed posts. I also recently launched a Redbubble shop where I've posted some of my designs, so if you want to support me as I'm not monetized yet, you could do that there. But even subscribing or liking this video or sharing it with your friend, or heck, even commenting what you didn't like about the video helps a ton, and I appreciate you. Thank you very much for watching.